Welcome! This video will explain the steps needed to add your banking information to your MNDCP account. By the end of this video, you will identify the advantage of adding your banking information to your MNDCP account, and then you will go through the steps to add your banking information. Adding your banking information will allow you to withdraw funds from your MNDCP account and move them to your bank account. Now we will cover the steps to add your banking information to your MNDCP account. Important note: in order to add your banking information, the Voya system requires your mobile number to be your primary account verification method. The system will not allow you to add your banking information without this validation measure. If you need help with that process, view the step-by-step video on the MSRS website. Step 1. Log in to your MSRS online account. That includes visit the MSRS website, enter your login credentials for MSRS account online, select how you'd like to confirm your identity, and enter your verification code. Step 2. Select Go to Savings Plans. Step 3. Select account activity that occurred July 1st, 2025 or after, then select Continue. Step 4. Select your name at the top right of the screen and then select Personal Information. Step 5. On the Personal Information page, scroll down until you see the section called Banking Information. Then select the plus symbol on the left of Minnesota Deferred Compensation Plan to open the accordion, and then select Add/Edit on the right side of the screen. Step 6. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter your verification code and then select Verify. Step 7. On the Banking Information page, select Checking or Savings from the Account Type drop-down menu, then enter your routing number and account number, and then select the Add This Bank button. Step 8. Success! Your banking information will be listed. This screen will also show wording that states your banking information has been submitted along with a confirmation number. Thank you. Please contact MSRS if you ever need support. Thanks again.